Hello children, today I am here with G Science Chapter 2 Human Body and this is part 5th and today we will start from sense organs. In last video I have taught till nervous system and today we will start sense organ. So do you know how many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs, okay? Our 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. What are the sense organs? Eyes, nose, ears, skin and tongue. So now we will know what are their work. So eyes help us to see things. What eyes do? Eyes help us to see things. So with the help of eyes, we can see television or we can see beautiful rainbow. You can see here. So we can see all the beautiful things in our surrounding. Next, what is the pic of that? This is nose. So nose, it help you smell different things. It could be something, see, stinky like garbage. So you will feel like bad and you will feel good when you see a mug of hot chocolates. So now you have seen so many things we can smell with our nose. Now come to next. Now ears. What ear do? Ear help us to hear. So we used to listen wonderful music with the help of ears, isn't it? So your ear help you hear whenever you hear beautiful things like bird chirping or a bell ringing. So you know it's your sense of hearing. So now next is skin. So your skin, it help you to touch and feel things. When you touch clay or touch wood, do they feel different to you? Does the clay seem soft and smooth and the wood seems hard and rough? So your skin help you know whether something is hot or cold. See, hot and cold. So you feel with the help of your skin. Now see, what is this? This is your tongue. It helps you to taste different kinds of food, whether it is sweet. So when you eat chocolates or toffee, what do you feel? You feel sweet type na? Or when you eat lemon, then what you feel? You feel sour. You know it all because of the sense of taste. Now I think you have understood about sense organ. So well, our nervous system is what receive all the information captured by the sense and responds to each situations. So with the help of this nervous system responds. So see here, all the 5 sense organs are connected to the brain. So all these organs are connected to the brain. The brain send and receive message from different organ to work. So now we will start next, and that is circulatory system. So let's start. So see children, what the child is doing. Can you able to understand? The child is running. So when you run, your heart beats so faster. Our heart is on the left side in our body. All of you see here, where is the heart? It is on the left side in our body. So if you put your hand on the left side of your chest, you feel something beating. So this beating is from your heart. You know, when you are relaxing, your heart beat 70 times in a minute. But when you are running or exercise, it beat at the top of the speed. That means 140 times in a minute. So you know why your heart beat faster when you run? So children, you see this car. You know how does it run? It need petrol to run. So our body need petrol to move. And you know what this petrol is what? And this petrol is oxygen. The body need more oxygen when you exercise or run. You know your body gets oxygen from heart. So it get oxygen from heart. When oxygen is mixed in blood, the heart supply blood to all parts of the body. So your heart is like a pump which pump blood into your body. So see this hand pump, like it pulls water from the ground and supply to us. So your heart is also do the same work like this. Now children, see this. What is this? Red. So this is blood. So blood do very important work inside our body and heart help to do. But without heart, blood can't do anything. Blood is like delivery type of your body. Blood pick up things and drop things off all the time. Now see this system, circulatory system consists of blood, the heart and the blood vessels. So that carry your blood to different area of your body. Your blood vessels are like tiny tunnels run all through your body. So the blood pump, the heart pump blood to different parts of our body. Just now I discussed. So small and big blood vessels carry blood that flows throughout the blood. So there are small and big blood vessels that carry blood all the body. Blood carries oxygen and digested food to different parts of the body. Now the function of blood is to carry the digested food and oxygen to all parts of your body, to each and every cells. It also brings back waste, that is impure blood produced in the cell, back to the heart. So the heart send the impure blood to the lungs to be purified. So this goes on without any break. Even when you are sleeping, the heart and the lungs keep on working to keep your body fit. Children, do you know what is the size of your heart? So your heart is the size of fist. See here. Now see this apple. So the weight of the human heart is about 300 gram. Okay. So now I think you have understood about circulatory systems. So now homework time. Now children, see your homework. So number 1 question is, name the sense organs of our body. Why are they important? Next question, what is known as the control center of our body? You know na this answer? Number 3, what is the main function of muscular system? And last, number 4, name the parts that form the circulatory system in our body. So all these 4 answer you write it in your G Science copy. Okay, complete this homework in G Science copy. And in next video, that means last video, I will taught about excretory system and reproductive system. Okay, till that, thank you.